Hey guys, it's ANNValenciaa, and for today's video, I've collaborated with the SM Store Beauty section to bring you tips on how to express yourself through colors. And the better way to do it is by makeup. And this is what I created for this video. So if you want to know what products I use and how I did this look, then keep on watching. So guys, this is the bare face. I just finished applying my skincare, moisturizer, toner, and lip balm. And now I will zoom you in para mas makita nyo kung paano ko ginagamit yung product. Okay, so we will start with the brows. Lately kasi I've been into like bushy brows lang. And you know na I've done microblading. And I'm just gonna brush it upwards like that para mas makita mo yung sparse area. What will I do is I'm just gonna fill up kung saan mas kailangan ng parang brow strands. I'm gonna use this Into It Skinny Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Brunette. It claims that it's waterproof as well. So, what I like about this is super thin niya. Yan, so perfect siya for like hairline strokes. And actually, kaya lang naman ako nag-fill in because medyo bitin yung tail ng brow ko. So you can see the difference, and we're just gonna blend it. Nakakaasar yung box kasi natin, Mamshi. Kumusta yan mamaya? Zoom ko pa kayo ng onti, guys, kasi we're done now with the brows. So I'm just gonna apply the clear brow gel. Yan, para zoom in ko kayo, guys, para mas makita nyo kung anong itsura. This is the BYS browfix. It's their clear brow gel. And what I like about this kasi, hindi siya yung other like drugstore brow gel na kapag tumagal na mumuti. So this is like gel to your brows. And when I say gel, it stays all day. Like, brush it upwards. So, ayan yung difference na nakikita nyo. Pero sometimes, when I feel like mas natural tignan, hindi na ako naglalagay ng brow pencil. Diretso na ako sa brow gel. And you can see the difference. Mas tame tong other brow na may clear brow gel. And ito yung wala. So, tapos na tayo with the brows. I usually do brows first. Then, we're gonna use this Fashion 21 Primer Spray. Shake muna siya. Then, spray ko siya all over my face. And then, let it dry. Tsaka tayo mag-a-apply ng base. So, wait natin siya ma-dry. And next, we're gonna do the eyes. And I'm gonna use for like the eye primer is this Fashion 21 Liquid Concealer. I'm in the shade Fair. So like sobrang onti lang para lang talagang mag-pay off yung color. Kasi diba we're gonna use like colorful one. And I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers. So for the eyeshadow, since we are playing with eye colors, I'm gonna use BYS Berries Face Palette. So berries yung tawag sa shades niya. And meron na siyang lips highlighter. This one, highlighter lahat yan. And this one is lips, the eyeshadow. It has a combination of matte, shimmers, and like yung cream eyeshadow nila, cream glitter. So I'm excited for the highlight. And since we just prepped our eyelids, I'm gonna use like a flat white color coming from this shade. Wala siyang shade color, pero I'm gonna use this one, yung white, para lang magsilbing powder for our eyelids. So I'm gonna set this lang with the white. After applying the base color or like yung powder for the eyes, I'm gonna use this pink shade. Itong very bright pink shade na to. Nakakatabi ng medyo orangey. And yun yung magiging like transition shade. Oh, diba? Gumaganon si Mamshi. Kala nyo talaga. It's very pigmented, guys. Surprise! Sobrang love ko talaga yung mga BYS eyeshadow kasi they're so pigmented. And alam mo yun, like drugstore price talaga siya, but you're getting like a high-end quality. We're gonna blend it, of course. Siyempre, huwag natin kalimutan mag-blend kasi blending is the key. So, blend lang tayo with the both eyes. Para like mag-mix yung color na pink and yung base natin. So, para lang magkaroon tayo ng wing liner, and since on trend din yung colored na wing liner, I'm gonna use this tangerine colored beside the pink color that we use. So, yun yung gagamitin natin. So, nalagay na natin yung orange na shade. And again, we're just gonna blend it. Wala pa tayong nalalagay dun sa mismong eyelids natin. So, I decided na we're just gonna put this white glitter here. Itong cream eyeshadow para mas mag-pop pa. Oh, yeah. It's cream. Very creamy. So, you're gonna get a lot from it. With this palette, you can recreate any looks, ha? And magaganda talaga yung shade. So, ayan guys, nakikita nyo, parang nag-pop talaga yung eyes nyo compared dito. So, just gonna do the same sa other eye. Ayan guys, yung eyes natin, and hindi pa siya final kasi we're gonna fix it up pa later. So, we're gonna move on with the face na. I won't use any foundation na kasi we're gonna focus on the colors of the eyes. So, I'm just gonna apply concealer. Again, I'm gonna use the Fashion 21 liquid concealer in the shade Fair, the one that I use for my eyelids. And I really like the packaging though. Parang siyang high-end na brand. Hold that here. And yung mga veins ko here. We're gonna blend it with a sponge, and I got this from BYS. 2 mini sponge sila. Okay guys, so I'm done applying a concealer. I can say this concealer is light to medium coverage, but it's very buildable and it's very lightweight rin sa face. It feels like wala akong concealer na suot. And with the primer as well, it really works with the concealer. So what more if you buy foundation also with Fashion 21, it really like locks in everything. So after applying concealer, we're gonna apply Vice Cosmetics. This is their Aura Contour, and I got in the shade Porshur. And we're just gonna apply it dito sa may cheekbones dito to bring back color lang. We're gonna move on with the cheeks, and for today I'm gonna be using the BLK. This is my absolute favorite, guys. Long-lasting din siya. So this is the BLK Cosmetics Creamy Cheek Paint in Peach. So this one, I tried this with a foundation and without, and with or without. I really like the finish, and kaya mo siyang i-blend with your fingers kahit may foundation without thinking of the foundation na parang baka like mawala siya or whatever. I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers. So that's it for the cheeks, guys. As you guys can see, it's very simple. This simple is very like easy na gayahin or easy to recreate. As I said, babalikan natin yung eyes, and we're just gonna blend it lahat. As in, guys, sobrang tsaga dapat mag-blend. And yung mga penang blend ko, I'm just gonna use it and fi-flat ko tong brush that I'm using. And gagamitan ko siya for sa ilalim ng eyes. So, ayan yung eye makeup natin, guys. You know naman na I'm just a beginner, so I'm still learning. And guys, if you're wondering, I don't put any mascara or anything that can ruin my eyelash extensions. Kasi guys, naka-eyelash extensions ang lola nyo. Kaya we're gonna skip false lashes. We're just gonna brush it up. Bongga, nalagyan sila ng glitters din. Okay, so last and final step for this makeup look is we're gonna put Fashion 21 Color Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this in the shade Toast. It's just a very muted pink. And guys, this is the perfect MLBB shade for me. So if your lip color is just like mine, this will work for you. And also, wait ko lang siya ma-dry because I'm gonna also put a Fashion 21 Lip Shine. Okay guys, I almost forgot. We're also gonna put highlighter, and kukunin ko lang din sa same palette that we use for eyes. And we're gonna use this gold one. Kasi siya talaga yung nagka-catch ng eye ko since very shimmery, you know me, and highlighters. And this is the final look, guys. I'm not a pro, but I really enjoyed using this product, especially my absolute favorite, which is the BYS Berries palette. And guys, it really smells like berries, and yung entire face ko, naamoy ko, amoy berry siya. that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And then don't forget to check out all my social media accounts down below. Then again, thank you. Bye.